Hello and welcome back to the SIRIUS short course tutorial series. In this video, we are going to go over the basic elements of the SIRIUS graphical user interface before any data is even imported. On startup, you are greeted by the home screen, which shows a basic overview over your account and network connection status. It also provides links to tutorials, documentation, code repositories, and our Matrix community. The first thing we want to do is log into our SIRIUS account or create a new one if we don't have one yet. We can either use the home screen or the account button in the top right. Once logged in, we can see and switch our active subscriptions using the Change Subscription button. Next, we are going to check if SIRIUS is able to establish all necessary web service connections by clicking the Web Service button. Here we can see if basic internet connection is available from within SIRIUS, if login and license server are reachable, and finally, if the connection to the SIRIUS web service is established. Next, we're going to take a look at the general settings by using the Settings button. In the General tab, we are able to change display settings and access the SIRIUS REST API in a browser window. The Adducts tab allows us to add or remove custom adducts for both positive and negative ion mode. The Network tab allows us to set up a proxy server configuration in case the SIRIUS web service is not reachable from within our current network. Please contact your IT department for your specific proxy server configurations. Last but not least, we are taking a short look at the Log button. This brings up the SIRIUS Log, which will display warnings, error messages, and debug information. When reporting a bug or issue, please make sure to copy the contents of the log and attach it to your report. If at any point you need more explanation on some SIRIUS features, it is always good to have a look at the documentation. You can access it using the Docs button at the top right.